Hey, this is Binati Shade. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the elephant strategy of content creation. And this video comes to you courtesy of a LinkedIn connection and a dear friend of mine named Sarah. A while back, when I did an AMA, which is an Ask Me Anything about writing, she said elephants, anything to do with elephants. And I figured, okay, let's take on the task and break down our content strategy using an elephant as a metaphor. And that's precisely what we are going to do in the video. So without further ado, let's just get into the video, shall we? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do like it and share it as well. So, this is how I'm going to show you the elephant step of content strategy. So, the first step you need is you need to know that you want to draw an elephant. Meaning, you have to know two things. You have to draw, and that you have to draw this specific thing, which is an elephant. You have to apply the same logic to your content plan, in the sense that you have to have the skills to first of all write, that is language skills, and then secondly you have to know what you want to write about. It could literally be anything. It could be a personal experience, it could be you sharing your expertise, it could be a world of things. So whatever your elephant is, stick your bet, select your elephant. Second is research. So this is where you look through all the elephants that are available. Uh, this is where your acquired beliefs and your Googling skills comes in play. So you have the things that you already know, and then you have things you are interested to know, and then you have the two things that are common between the both, right? So wherever it is that you have an intersection between what you know and what you want to know about, that's where you conduct the research, and then you start the preparation, which is step 3, right? So step 3 is prep, and that is you compile all your resources and you put in your opinions on a page, or whatever it is that strikes your fancy, and then you just start, which is the last step. You start creating the content that you want to create, and that's how your elephant begins to take shape. You want to draw an elephant, then you know what elephant you want to draw specifically. Like, say I want to draw an Indian elephant, right? So, and I want to draw an Indian elephant who has like a grayish color. So there you go, you have the inclination to draw the elephant, and now you know specifically which elephant you want to draw. So that is the most important step here. Okay, then comes in your abilities. So as you can see, obviously, from the eraser on the screen, I I don't have many drawing skills, so to speak. I mean, I am bad at drawing even in real life, and you put me to draw something in Adobe Fresco using like a digital pen, something I'm not used to yet. Yeah, you're gonna see you're gonna see what you saw on the screen, like a very elephant looking caricature at best, nothing resembling an elephant, but good effort nonetheless. So this is how you begin. This is how you begin creating content. You want to write about something. You know that you have the chops and the writing skills and the knowledge to write about this something, but you don't know how to go about it. In that, you're new to the industry, you are a new professional, you haven't networked with enough writers, you don't have a strong portfolio, etc., etc., all that. And you are like, I can't draw an elephant. I mean, it's difficult to draw an elephant. And you talk yourself out of creating stuff that you really, really wanted to create because of a litany of reasons that, I don't want to go into right now, because we will talk about imposter syndrome in a future video. But yeah, you talk yourself out of it, and in that you miss out on creating a cute little weird little cartoon elephant, right? Elephants could be so many things. Like in Hinduism, elephant is a version of an elephant is worshipped as a god, right? Then you can have elephant cartoons, you can have storytelling done around the world's your oyster, basically. The world's your elephant, so to speak, right? You can create so much content around whatever your perspectives are, whatever your skill level is. That is content. Doesn't have to be the best thing out there according to everyone. It just has to be the best thing for you, right? Not everything has to be cute. Not everything has to be how it is supposed to be. It's about how you perceive something to be. So, you want to draw an elephant. You have drawn your elephant. It's not the elephant you hoped to draw, but it's the elephant you landed with and you came up with. And so that's the elephant that you select and publish. So this is what it is about. I hope that you liked this. So I hope that you really learned something from this video. This was mostly for beginners, mostly for people who are wondering about starting a blog but don't know how or don't know what to write about or all of that. Just find your elephants and sprout your little cheerlings in it, and ultimately they'll grow. They won't be as healthy as you expect them to be, but something's better than nothing, always. So I hope you create some content soon, and if you do, definitely tag me or find a way to show your work to me so that I can share it and all of that. And I hope that you enjoyed this quirky little video. If you haven't already, and if you liked the thing, do like and share the video with someone you think could benefit from the video. And again, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am a content creator and I've been working with companies for 10 years now, and I have come to a point in my career where I am done following these really erroneous, really awful, honestly speaking, practices that most companies are following these days, which is leading to so much polarization. And basically, it's like what we've got is the only nice thing that the market has to offer, and rest everyone's stupid, dumb. I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of that line of content creation that I want to go independent. So one way in which I can do that is to have a channel where I can create content just for me. I can create the kind of content I would like to read myself. Something which offers nuance, something which focuses on the whole picture, focuses on the whole message, rather than just blanketly selling something or promoting some stupid shit, honestly. And for me to continue to do this, along with also make a living, I would be really grateful if I'm able to monetize at least some aspect of social media, so that I can drop some people who are very difficult to work with in the sense that they want you to add these adjectives while defining people, defining ideas, defining products that are either incorrect or that are part of just wrong concepts. And yeah, so least you could do to help me out is do a little subscribe to the YouTube channel. Would be really, really grateful if you do that. So, yeah, thank you so much. Here's hoping. Fingers crossed. See you in the next one, which is going to be about technology is a tool and you should use it. So, I'm going to have somebody on to discuss this topic with me. So, stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm so sorry that you had to sit through that little rant. I didn't even realize I was ranting while the video was on, but yeah, you get me at my authentic self. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.